Tribulations in this nation, a far cry from flawless. We're from having hope to a racist taking office. To say I'm patriotic, you must be talking New England. Look how they mistreat us, a nigga gotta be dreaming. Walking in, fresh blazer and an ascot. Spit my game, that she reppin' like a mascot. Invested in a nigga like I said I had stock. Hold on baby, you putting me in a bad spot. Drop the beat, made a hit from the working title. Grind so hard that I swear I need a working title. Never falling off, hand on the Bible. They taking headshots, but they must be suicidal. New moves coming over the horizon. Been grinding, so I guess it's not surprising. Back when Ye was talking about, man, I promised. Told my girlfriend that I would be the man, I promised. But she just wanted me to be the man, I promised. Then looking back, I swear that was the plan, I promise. But now she's reaching for the tissue, and I still got the same issues. I guess I'm superficial. Call me superficial. I might be superficial. Superficial. I guess I'm superficial. Nah, super official. Hey, yeah, we super official. Hey, yeah, we super official. Hey, I don't follow suit, I'm a read nigga. Exceeded expectations, forced myself to dream bigger. Cream of the crop, pick up the litter. These niggas salty, it's no wonder that they feeling bitter. So-called rappers misappropriating the name, and while they out here trying to party, I'm taking over the game. If you give your boy a track, I send it back with that flame. Catch me beating down the block while I'm gripping the grain. I can't stop till my name is on top of the game. And they say entertainers are the ones hiding pain. I'm about to blow, man, I swear anything can set me off. Working hard and I'm getting everything but getting off, so I keep my circle small. Rec show just coming for my curtain call. Here for the love, but it's hurt involved, but never for the love is the worst of all. Hey, separating the feeling in a whip with no ceilings. Let haters know that I'm killing, man. The revolution won't be televised. Most these rappers out here telling lies. If I'm the shit, I guess then y'all the flies. Man, you know who it is, dog, don't look surprised. Till we arrived, they had to improvise. All your rappers were so ill-advised. You didn't know, you better recognize. Man, this music mess the label, dog, we on the rise. We ain't superficial. We ain't superficial. Don't call us superficial.